When will Lord Kalki come? Throughout the world today, there is empire of unjust and oppressive people all around. As a result, common people are being crushed and there is nobody to speak against these oppressors. Under such circumstances, the crying and sobbing humanity restlessly thinks, when will the incarnation of Kali, Lord Kalki, come to protect them? While the fact is that he has already come on this earth long ago, and he has begun his work also. But till now his whereabouts are not known to us. In this regard, we have got with us prophecies of some prophets which are as follows. According to Professor Harar, in India such a person has born who in future will be a guide of the whole world. That person is a Brahman and his complexion is fair. He will be specially skilled in performing yajna and worship. His evolution must be after 1970. According to Dr. Jules Verne, France, prior to 1962, such a person has already born in India, who in future will be helpful in showing the way to the whole world. In order to identify real Kalki incarnation, the yogis, saints and high-souled people of Uttarakhand got printed a small booklet and distributed throughout the country. According to that, there will be a moon-shaped mark of the form of English letter V in the forehead between both eyebrows of that great man. In the neck, there will be a mark of half moon endowed with two strips. He will be purely in Indian attire. He will have childlike health, warrior-like courage, long-lasting youth, and will be a great scholar of Vedas and scriptures. Precisely, his father will inspire him towards yogic practices. In his life, 32 letters will be of very much importance. We have got with us a lot of more significant informations relating to him, with the help of which we can search him out. To obtain those informations, visit us at www.kalkiavatar2010.com. If you too have got with you some other similar informations relating to this, share them with us so that we may put them also down on our website.